morning, my dear students. A very warm welcome to you all. Today I would like to discuss about the design of steel structures. What is the difference between steel structural beam and RCC beam? When compared to a steel beam with RCC beam it is a combination of steel and concrete. For steel, different types of steels are used. For example, HYST bars, high yield strength deformed bars, FE 415 and FE 500, and FE 250 steel is the used for stirrups. That is regarding steel used in RCC concrete beams. RCC concrete beams are horizontal structural elements used in different types of structures. For example, in buildings or in any other structural elements also, or beams are used. And coming to the steel, coming to the concrete, different types of grades are there. One is M10, M15, M25, M30, M40 and so on. It depends upon the concrete grade, type of concrete grade, that is FCK, characteristic strength of concrete cube at the rate of 28 days. It will be used in different types of structures. It depends upon the completely different types of structural elements. Okay, now we would like to coming to the design of steel structural element, that is design of steel beam. For designing the steel beam, we have to completely use a steel material, that is the having Young's modulus of elasticity 2 into 10 power 5 Newton per mm square. Only steel is used, that is the rolled steel sections are used for designing these steel beams. Not only for steel beams, for entirely different types of, suppose for example take an industrial building. For industrial building we have to completely use only rolled steel sections. It depends upon the type of sections, it depends upon the type of structural element, the sections will be varied. Suppose there are different types of sections: Indian standard angle sections, Indian standard channel sections, ISMC, Indian standard medium channels. For beams, we have to prefer only ISMB sections or ISWB sections. ISMB is Indian standard medium beam, and Indian standard heavy beams, that is ISHB. It is designated by Indian standard heavy beams. You having some sectional properties. All rolled steel sections having some sectional properties. We have to take that sectional properties depends upon the ZP, plastic section modulus, for designing the beams. And again we have to calculate the loads carrying on that particular structural element. That is a beam, it is a structural, horizontal structural element. It can resist the bending moment due to the loads coming onto the structural element. So now we would like to design the beam. What is the important parameters? There are different types of parameters are there: load calculations, bending moment calculations, and shear force calculations, that is maximum bending moment and maximum shear force. And after that we have to choose the section. Before we have to choose the section, ZP required will be calculated. ZP is the plastic section modulus. ZP is equal to some value will be occurred. ZP units are mm cube. ZP is equal to moment of inertia by y. It is the center of the section. So depends upon the ZP plastic section modulus, we have to select the section. From the steel tables only we have to obtain only ZE, elastic section modulus. But from the steel tables, but from the code book IS 800 2007, from the page number 183, from 183 to 185, there are different types of sections are there. For each and every section having different types of sectional properties, that is in terms of area, moment of inertia about x-axis, y axis, center of gravity about x-axis, y axis, radius of gyration, radius of the root. Different types of properties are there, and weight of the structural element, that is the self weight of the member, is also in the code book. And ZP and elastic section modulus, plastic section modulus and elastic section modulus are also there in the code book, as well as steel